Pinky ring on my finger. If you got a friend, then you better bring her. Karaoke mic tonight, I'm a singer. Spotlight on us, sounding off, kilter, filters off. Keeping it real now, 100. Props to me if I'm out, I've done it. Got to be the big bang like rockets. Ruckus. Let it loose, do it. Let it loose, boo. Let it loose. Chicka boom, go crazy. Boom.
Actually, sa Kapas kasi yung yung school. Ang name po niya is Twin Hearts School of Practical Nursing. And then nung pumunta kami dito, that was 2008. Bali po, nag-under na po siya ng Sentro Colegio de Tarlac. So, dito kasi, nung lumipat kami dito, as in, wala talagang nakatayong mga bahay, as in talagang mga damo-damo, ganyan. Yung start talaga, syempre, from the beginning, talagang maraming mga hindrance, mga paghihirap, ganyan. Pero despite of that, ang goal namin kasi makatulong Kahit nahihirapan sa pagkuha ng mga estudyante, pero hindi kami tumigil. Kasi alam namin yung mission namin at yung mga purpose namin. Actually, yung purpose ko dito kung bakit nag-stay ako, galing din ako sa mahirap na pamilya. Siyempre, naging scholar ako, amo ng nanay at tatay ko. So, hindi ko man mabayaran yon, hindi ko man maibigay yung, sabi nga nila, yung utang na loob. So, binibigay ko sa mga estudyante.
Nag-i-stay ako rito. Actually, hindi lang naman talaga sa salary. At the same time, masaya ako rito sa Sentro Colegio de Tarlac. Yung mission namin is magturo, mag-share ng mga knowledge sa mga estudyante namin para ma-prepare sila dun sa future profession na gusto nila. At the same time, maturuan din sila na magkaroon ng magandang ugali.
Our responsibility is not only to prepare students for careers, but to empower them to become ethical leaders and nation builders who uphold truth, inclusivity, and progress.
Siguro isa rin sa pag-stay ko dito kasi yung mga kasamahan ko, yung mga kapwa ko teachers, kapwa ko mga non-teaching din, mababait kasi sila. Pati yung administration ko, mababait.
Kaya nga, as I said before, na talagang nandoon yung puso ko na. Nakuha nila yung puso ko, tapos pagkita man kami sa labas, magkita kami, nandoon yung batian. Sarap, kaya nga, ganyan ang banding namin sa teachers na parang talagang naramdaman ko yung pamilya. Pamilya ko sila dito.
I know that we are upside down, so hold your tongue and hear me out. I know that we were made to break, so what, I don't mind. You cue the lights, so draw.
This 18-year milestone is both a celebration and a reminder. A celebration of resilience. Indeed, we have been resilient. Collaboration and shared success. And a reminder that our journey continues.
As we celebrate our 18th Foundation Day, let us continue to rise higher, innovate boldly, remain rooted in our mission, and empower every student who walks through our halls to become a true builder of our nation's future.
Sa loob ng 18 taon, patuloy ninyong
pinatunayan na ang edukasyon ay hindi lamang tungkol sa academics, kundi tungkol sa karakter, competent, and commitment to excellence.
Gonna stay the night. Doesn't mean we're bound for life. So, are you gonna stay the night?
Sa ika-18 taon ng Sentro Colegio de Tarlac, tunay na karangalan para sa akin na makasama kayo sa pagdiriwang ng isang institusyon patuloy na nagbibigay kaalaman, oportunidad at inspirasyon sa ating kabataan.
As we commemorate this Foundation Day, let us renew our pledge to academic excellence, integrity, and service to society. May we continue to grow, inspire, and empower for generations to come. Happy 18th Foundation Day to all of you. Thank you very much and have a good night.
Are you gonna stay the night? Doesn't mean we're bound for life. So, are you gonna stay the night? Are you gonna stay the night?
Happy 18th!
Happy 18th